Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to skip trace lead with PropStream. So to get started with a quick straightforward guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your PropStream account. So visit the propstream.com and sign in with your account, into your account rather. Then after that you have to navigate to skip tracing. So on the left hand menu, click on the skip tracing. Then from there select contact to skip trace. So click select contact, then choose from your existing marketing list, which is the favorite or a contact. Then select individual contacts to ensure list, then click add selected contact, then done. Then after that you have to preview and place your order. So click next to view the payment if summary, then review the numbers of contacts and the total cost. Then from there click place order, then accept to confirm. Then after that, once your processing is complete, navigate to the contact section, then locate your newly skipped trace list, then click on individual contacts to view details such as phone number and email address. Then after that you can also export your file, which is you can also export your data, which is very optional. So select the desired contacts, then click export to download the information as a CSV file, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.